Express Water 11 Stage. Express Water 11 Stage Review. Best under-sink reverse osmosis system for well water. Express Water makes an impressive statement. At first glance, it's easy to see how intelligent and straightforward the RO system for well water works to make the purest alkaline water for home water usage. Each filter is color-coded and numbered for quick filter changes, and when ordering parts and new filters. Whether you need to improve the taste of your kitchen water for cooking, coffee, tea, ice, and drinks, or purification and sterilization, Express Water Stage 11 has your well water filtering needs covered. Express Water Stage 11 removes up to 99.99% of contaminants, and the built-in UV light has a warning light that alerts you of potentially high germicidal ranges in the water. Fit the Express easily under the counter or in a kitchen or bathroom under-sink cabinet. Independent lab tested and NSF certified, the powerful UVC light instantly kills viruses, organisms, and bacteria in your water. A generous 4-gallon storage tank stand and all filters come standard with purchase. Express Stage 11 produces 100 gallons of fresh filtered well water per day, measuring 15 by 5 by 14 inches, weighing 32 pounds, and with an easy-to-install color-coded filtration system. Express Stage 11 is easily the best under-sink reverse osmosis system for well water. Warranty: 1 year for manufacturing deficits and defective parts replacements. Pros: auto leak stop feature. Filters: 100 gallons per day. 11-stage filtration with UV. Cons: reported multi-filter connection leaks. Unreliable daily gallon filtration. Questionable alkaline filter performance.